What if I told you this entire n8n workflow you're looking at was created by an AI just from a single prompt? I dropped in a prompt in this Claude project and it gave me the entire JSON which I copied to this n8n workflow. And boom, I have this fully structured flow with nodes, with config, with everything. And yes, it works. So in this video, I'll walk you through how I created this custom Claude project where you can use Claude 4 Opus to create these real n8n workflows just from a single prompt. How I trained it using my own template library, the exact setup I use which you can copy, plus where you can grab all these prompts, all these templates using a single link which I'll link in the description of this video. Hey everybody, I'm Prakash Gupta, founder of Small AI, where we build and sell powerful AI automations that save businesses time and make them money. This is the channel where I share real automations that have made real revenue. So if you're a business owner, marketer, or an agency owner, you are in the right place. So make sure that you click on subscribe button so that you can get latest updates on latest AI automations. You can also book a free strategy call if you want something like this for your business or to resell. Join a Discord community where we connect automation builders with business owners. Now that you've done that, let's move on to the automation. Now here is the prompt that I gave to Claude for this lead generation automation. I have defined how it should trigger, how it should fetch leads, how it can enrich those leads, how it can further enrich using Apollo, what all tools it can use. Do I want follow-ups? So I've defined the follow-up strategy like this. After 2 days, you can check if the lead has replied, and using Gmail inbox search, if they replied, update the Airtable record to show that they have responded. I've also asked it to add small notes like start, phantom buster, scoring, so that it's easier for anyone to understand what the automation is going through. And using this prompt, it gave me this entire JSON workflow. For this, I used Claude 4 Opus because it is one of the best models that are out in the market. So after a few seconds, it gave me this entire JSON. I simply copied this JSON and saved it into a JSON file using VS Code. So I created an empty workflow and I imported my file. So I click on import from file and I added the JSON that I copied from my Claude project. And it gave me this entire workflow. So now you can see the entire automation is here. I just need to add some APIs. So you can see that the credentials are missing. And after I've added credentials for Phantom Buster, Gmail, Airtable, this entire automation is ready to run. It nailed the HTTP request, the parameters, and even used correct API endpoints. For tools like Hunter.io, Phantom Buster, Apollo, OpenAI, 11 Labs, and things like that. It also made sure to create a separate flow for follow-up. So you can see that we have a schedule trigger that triggers every 2 day and it to check for replies using the Gmail trigger and update it in the Airtable as well. Finally, it added these sticky notes, which helped me to understand what is going on with these automations. So you can see that it has defined the entire automation right here. It has defined the second workflow right here. And it has also let us know what is this if node doing and what is the low value path, what is the high value path. So this is a very descriptive n8n workflow, which now you can resell to clients and make thousands of dollars in a few minutes. Here is the key. Claude 4 Opus gives you great starting point. You still need to tweak a few API keys and logic, but you're skipping 70% of the grunt work. For example, if I just run this test workflow, it will give me the following errors. So I'll need to add the API keys for Phantom Buster, I'll need to add API keys for Gmail, and I will need to make sure that the entire flow is working fine. But it has saved me hours of hard work because I don't have to create this entire flow node by node. Claude 4 Opus has done that automatically. Let me show you how I set it up. I created a project in Claude and added a name. Just name it n8n Automation Builder. I'll create this project, and here I've added this custom instruction. You can get the custom instruction from the link in the description. And I'm simply going to click on save instructions. Later, I need to add some project knowledge base. I'll click on plus icon and I can upload the entire template library. I'll simply select a few automations from here and click on open. As soon as I do that, the entire JSON will be fed here. And you can see that it has already uploaded a few automations in this project knowledge base. Now that's what gives it context and accuracy. You can do this in minutes with the files I have made available in my Gumroad project. Let me show you another example. So I typed that you have to create a workflow for lead generation for startup founders, and I just asked it to make it very complex and make it use unique logic and also turn it into an n8n workflow. So it gave me this JSON, and when I uploaded it to my n8n space, this is the workflow that it came up with. It has again added the stickers for my understanding, and this is the flow that it was able to came up with. I do have to add a few APIs of Crunchbase, of Apollo, of Google Sheets, Slack notification, and HubSpot, but it has done the majority of my workflow. You can grab my trained Claude prompt, a full JSON template library, sample screenshots, and workflows all in one place. Just click on the Gumroad link in the description and you can download everything from there. If you're into building or selling AI automations, come hang in Small AI Discord channel where we've got developers building workflows, business owners hiring builders, or cool drops, and you can find all of the automations, all of the workflows in this Discord community. The link is in the description. So now whether you're building an edit flow, automating for clients, or scaling a business, use this Claude 4 project that will save you hours. If you got value from this video, click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, join the Discord community, grab all the free prompts, and if you're ready to turn this into income, check out the agency course right in the description. I'm Prakash from Small AI and see you in the next video.